Alright, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel. Got a challenge locking device called Training Wheels by Cameron Dunn. Yes sir, yes sir. Also wanted to say, I don't know if, let me see if I can go back there a little ways. The camera will get it. I did add a few more names to the backdrop. I promised a few people I would get around to doing that. I got, I think Dark Arts Lockpicking is a new addition. Hadler 999. What is it? Murloc? I don't know if I'm saying that right. Murloc 68 or Murloc 68. Crank. There was a few of them. Dominic. Where did I put Dominic at? It's on here somewhere. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I promised you recently your name would go up there, and I did do that. So rock and roll. And again, if you you got a YouTube channel and maybe you're watching me and you're hearing this, you don't see your name on that backdrop at some point, let me know. I'll put you on there. I got plenty of room still over here on this side, so actually that side from the camera. Anyways, let me know. I'll put you up there. Just my little way of giving a little bit of love back. Okay, so put that out of sight. Bada boom, bada bang. Back to Training Wheels by Mr. Cameron Dunn. And it's also, by the way, number 5 it says on the key tag with Training Wheels. There's the key. Doesn't look too wicked. Not too scary. But I'll tell you what, it does work real good. That doesn't have no snags or nothing. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm guessing by the feel of that and the looks of that key, I don't see too much of a problem yet, but you never know. You never know. That's pretty flat. Actually, that's really flat for a challenge lock, but maybe there's some other tricks up his sleeve in this sucker. So, you know I love me a Schleg. We'll go with top of the keyway, probably. Yep. Drop my little shotgun dude in the bottom. Like so. And the sparrows, I want to say it's just a short hook or whatever. I call this my Schleg master key. And let's get at it. Let's see what we got here. Whoa. Not sure what that was. Okay, let's get at it. Get a feel for it. Oh, right away we got, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Pin 4. 1, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all the way in the back. Don't want to overset. Don't get overzealous. Okay, felt like it's set. Coming back out. Might have overset. Let me see. Now I'm trying to make something talk to me, so I'm going to give each pin a little. Okay, right there. Okay, there we go. I think that was 4. Let me try the front again. There we go. Okay. That felt really weird. Okay, there it goes. 1. Felt like it's set, maybe. Almost feels like it's kind of like that dirty feeling when a lock is dirty, if that makes any sense. Kind of gooey. Yeah, there's something funky back there. Let me see, where are we at here? 4 again? Really? Maybe I didn't set it all the way. Okay. Coming back out. Tell you what. Okay, 2. 1 counter rotation. Okay. 1. Make sure 2 is set. Feels like it. 3, 4. Whoa, I think I overset 5 just now. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think I came back out and touched 3 and we got it. So, beautiful. I'll tell you what. That was pretty badass considering the bitting is that flat on that key. That was actually pretty freaking tricky. So I'm pretty stoked to see what's inside now, because that was a lot more tricky than that looks. So well done. Curious to see how you did that. Curious. So let's see. Let's see how he made it that well with such flat bitting. Alright, where we at? Let's go back here. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bang. So yeah, we got her. Very much open. We got the key so we can lock it back up. Alright, yeah, that was, I really wasn't expecting all that by the looks of that key. Because usually when they're that flat, you just kind of go in there and you're almost single pin raking it, if that makes sense. You're just kind of hitting them all because you're going almost the same height with every one of them, just about. So yeah, I'm curious here. Let's see. Let's look at it instead of wonder. Sliced my finger on something at work today, so pardon the band-aid. Oh boy, yeah. Trying to do it with the wrong fingers. I don't even know what I'm doing here. There we go. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. I'll tell you what, you get used to using that finger, I'll tell you what. Alright, right follower. Bada boom, bada bang. A little 5-pinner. I see some weirdness, I think, in number 4 already. They all needed very much picking. I can see some threading already. Looks like a standard in 1. Standard in 2. Yeah, see, I'll tell you what. That was pretty tricky for all this. Sometimes less is more. Yep, all these key pins are standard. So now I'm seeing threading in the core, and it will throw off the feel a little bit, threading these and still having standard key pins, but not by very much. Obviously they're just not going to slide as smooth, but anyways, yeah, I guess anything to throw off the feel, that's fine. Threading in 1, 4, and 5. And that's it on the core. I didn't show that. Threading in 1, 4, and 5. Okay. Let's see. The front's already marked with some green stuff. The shim. Oh, that band-aid's irritating me on my finger there. I can't feel. Alright, going upstairs. Where we at? Right here. Yep, we've got a really cool looking serrated thing. I'm just going to get these laid out here. I have a tendency of, doing all this twice. Two's another, two's like a T-pin. Yep. 3 is another T-pin with like a ring around the top of it. We'll get close-ups on all that. As usual, a couple different springs too. Well played. Like I said at the beginning, anything to throw off the picker's feel. Of course, it's a Schleg. I've gotten pretty damn good at Schlegs. Now this is a funky looking one. I'm gonna, since it's the last one, let me get the spring laid down. And I'm guessing there's nothing up there because those are folded over. There's no way. Without breaking those, bending them back, they'll break. So there's nothing done in the Bible. I wanted to hold this pin up. It was, oh, it's like a mushroom looking thing, but it's spun. Whoops. It's spun where it's not really centered on the top. So actually that's going to pick a little bit different each time you do it because it's going to rotate a little bit in there by itself. So that'll pick different. Really cool. Really neat idea. All right, let's get a close-up on these. Again, this was Training Wheels by Cameron Dunn. Very cool. I enjoyed it. Alright, we've got key pins, real easy to do, all standard. Drivers, we got this double serrated in 1. We got a T-pin in 2. Again, I'd call this a T-pin with a kind of a ring at the end of it because it's going to act T-pinish because it's reduced. That was 3, so 4, another double serrated, or almost, see, again, I don't know where the cutoff limit is for serration to spool because these are pretty wide serrations. And then we got this, I guess we can call this a mushroom type pin, but it is does look homemade. And then the springs are all looks like steel, steel, copper, steel, steel. Well done. Training Wheels by Cameron Dunn. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, maybe give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, you're just crazy. Subscribe. All right. Big Al signing out.